So students, I hope you enjoyed the puzzles. Let us move towards our next topic. Which boat do we take? They are so lost in the puzzles that they do not notice they have reached the lake. It is a very big lake with a small island in it. So now where they reach to the lake. The lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorn. Now comes the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat to take. But that is not easy. So what they plan? They plan to do boating. There are different kinds of boats. Each has a different ticket price and also different trip times. So here there are 4 boats student can choose, and every boat has different ticket price and different trip time. Double decker has a price of rupees 30 and it can give ride for 45 minutes. Paddle boat costs rupees 15 and it gives ride for 30 minutes. Similarly, motorboat, its ticket price is rupees 25 and it gives ride for 20 minutes. And boat with oars has a ticket price of rupees 15 and it gives ride for 45 minutes. Here we can see the ticket price for double decker is maximum among the all, and the ticket price of paddle boat and boat with oars is the minimum amongst all. Alright. So here some students are discussing about which boat they will take. A girl is saying 4 of us will take a paddle boat and race with Gauri and her group. Another group is saying we will take the motor boat. It is costly but fun. Here they are discussing, let us take the oar boat. It is not costly and we get more time for a peaceful ride. Here also a girl is saying, hey, we are going on the double decker. It also has music. It costs a lot but we got more time. So based on these boats, their prices and their time, we have some questions. Let us solve this question one by one. So here the first question is, Indira and Bhanu first went in the motorboat and then took the oar boat. So there are 2 girls, Indira and Bhanu. They first went to motorboat and then boat with oars. How much did they pay for both the boats? What we need to find? The total money they pay for both the boats. Remember that there are 2 girls. So let us start. First they went to motorboat and it cost rupees 25. The ticket for one person is rupees 25. And next they went to boat with oars and ticket for one person for this boat is rupees 15. Let us find the total price of these 2 boats. So ticket price for motorboat equals to rupees 25 and ticket price for boat with oars is rupees 15. So what will be the total price? What we need to do for that? We will add to find the total price of these 2 boats. What we will do? We will add them. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 will carry over here. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So total ticket price is rupees 40 for these two boats. But remember, this ticket price is for one person only. These rupees 25 is the price for one ticket. Rupees 15 for boat with oars is the price for one ticket only. But we have two girls, so they bought two tickets. So price for one person is rupees 40. And what will be the price? Ticket price, or we can say total price for two person. It will be 2 times of the total price, which is rupees 40. So 2 multiplied by 40 will be 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 240 multiplied by 2 is 80. So total price for two persons will be rupees 80. It means Indra and Bhanu, they will pay rupees 80 for these two boats. Now the next part of this question is, how much time did they get for both the rides? We need to find the total time they get for both the rides. For motorboat they get 20 minutes, and for boat with oars they get 45 minutes. So we have to find the total time they get. We need to add them. To find the total time, we will add them. So first we will write the time for motorboat. So time they get in motorboat, this time is equals to how many minutes? 20 minutes. And next time they get in boat with oars, and they get how many minutes? 45 minutes. So what we will do to find the total time? We will add them both. 0 plus 5 is 5, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So how many minutes they get? They get 65 minutes for both the rides. So our next question is, one group of children went for the double-decker trip. They paid rupees 450 in total. How many children went for the double-decker trip? So a group of children went for the ride of this boat. They paid rupees 450 in total. We need to find that how many children went for the trip. So here the price of ticket for double decker is rupees 30. This is the price for one ticket, and they paid rupees 450. This 450 is shared by some number of children. We need to find that number of children. As this price is being shared, so which operation we will apply to find the number of children? Yes, we will apply division. This is the total price they paid, and this is the price of one ticket. We will divide the total price by the price for one ticket to find the number of children. So let us start. First we will write total price paid by the group equals to rupees 450, and price for one person. What will be the price for one person? What is the price for one person? This is rupees 30. Rupees 30 is the price for one person. So to find the number of children, went for the trip, what we will do? We will divide the total price with the price of one ticket. The total price is 450 and we will divide it by 30. So let us start. See, this 30 is a 2-digit number, so we will start with 2 digits 4 and 5. We know 31s are 30, 32s are 60. So I will take 31s are 30. I will subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. I take this 0 down. It becomes 150. So I will count the table of 30. 31s are 30. 32s are 60. 33s are 90. 34s are 120. And 35s are 150. I will subtract and I left with 0. So my answer is 15. This means how many children went for the trip? 15 children went for the trip. Alright. Our next part is which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Out of these 4 boats, we need to find which boat makes 2 trips in 1 hour. First of all, we need to know that 1 hour has how many minutes? 1 hour has 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So, we need to find out of these boats which boat make 2 trips in 1 hour. So, let us first see this double decker. One trip of double decker takes 45 minutes. What about 2 trips? If one trip takes 45 minutes, 2 trips will take 45 plus 45, which is equal to 90 minutes. But this is more than 1 hour because 1 hour only have 60 minutes. But 90 minutes is more than 1 hour. So this is not that boat. Coming to boat with oars, again this boat takes 45 minutes for one trip. So what about 2 trips? 45 plus 45, which is again 90 minutes, and again this is more than 1 hour. So this is also not that boat. Coming to motor boat, this boat takes 20 minutes for one trip. So what about 2 trips? 20 minutes plus 20 minutes. 20 plus 20 is equals to 40 minutes. But 40 minutes is less than 1 hour. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 40 minutes is less than 1 hour. So this is also not that boat. The last boat left is pedal boat. And it takes how many minutes? It takes 30 minutes for one trip. So 30 minutes for one trip and 30 minutes for second trip. 30 plus 30 is equal to 60 minutes. And this 60 minutes makes 1 hour. This 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So the answer is pedal boat. Pedal boat is the boat which makes 2 trips in 1 hour. Alright. Next part is which boat takes less than half an hour to complete a trip. Out of these boats, which boat takes less than half an hour? Now what is this half an hour means? As we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. So half of this hour means half of 60 minutes. Half of 60 minutes is equal to half of 60 minutes is equal to 30 minutes. So half hour means 30 minutes. Now the question is which boat takes less than half hour, which means which boat takes less than 30 minutes. Now this double decker takes 45 minutes, which is more than half an hour. Boat with oars also takes 45 minutes, which is more than half an hour. Paddle boat takes 30 minutes, which is equal to half an hour. But motor boat takes 20 minutes, which is less than half an hour. So my answer of this question is motor boat. Motor boat, as it takes 20 minutes, which is less than half an hour. Now the question is, which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Out of these boats, which boat takes the most time? See, out of these boats, only these two boats, double decker and boat with oars, gives the maximum time, which is 45 minutes. But the least money, double decker takes rupees 30 and boat with oars takes rupees 15. It means the answer is boat with oars, which takes the maximum time, which gives the maximum times and takes the least money. So the answer is boat with oars. So my next question is, Javed went twice for boating. Twice means 2 times. It means Javed went 2 times for boating. He paid a total of rupees 40. For 2 times of boating, he paid rupees 40 and boated for 50 minutes. He boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? We need to find which 2 boats did he take for boating. Now see, the total price he paid is rupees 40. So we need to find that which 2 boats makes a total of rupees 40. Now see carefully and try to find out which 2 boats makes a total of rupees 40. See carefully, we can note that rupees 25 and rupees 15 can only make a total of 40. Let us add 25 and 15 to verify. 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Alright. So rupees 25 and rupees 15 makes a total of 40 rupees. Now 25 is the price for motor boat. This boat he should take. But 15 is the price for paddle boat and boat with oars. Now out of these 2 boats, which boat he took? It is also given that he boated for 50 minutes. He boated for 50 minutes. It means total time taken by him was 50 minutes. So which 2 boats makes 50 minutes in total? See, one is motor boat and which takes only 20 minutes. With that 20 minutes, if we add the time of paddle boat, which is 30 minutes, 20 plus 30 makes 50. So 20 plus 30 makes 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 3, 5. So these 2 boats he chose for boating. One is motor boat and other one is paddle boat. All right.